What's up guys, welcome back. In this very video I'm going to be guiding you step by step process on how you can get to create a movie 3D animation video for absolutely free. And the process to do it is very simple and easy. I'm going to guide you on how you can get to generate your video idea, how you can get to generate your prompts for generating visual, and also how you can get to animate your video. And the final part, I'm going to show you on how you can get to use CapCut to edit this video in a professional way. So if you're really interested about this, kindly watch this video from the beginning to the end and do not skip any part. Without further ado, let's jump right into this very video right now. Okay, so the first step we need to take right now is to make sure we generate our video idea right away. Okay, so with this prompt is going to guide us on how we can get to generate video idea, how we can get to generate our character, how we can get to design our character, and also how we can get to storyboard our image generation. And the final part on this prompt is going to guide us on how we can get to animate each and every image that we have generated. So what I just want you to do right now is to watch this video from the beginning to the end and get the full understanding on how we are going to create this 3D cartoon animation right away. Okay, so it's very simple and easy. Okay, so the first step, the first step I'm going to take right now is to copy this title or this idea generation. Okay, so and don't worry, all these prompts I'm going to link it down in this video description so that you can practice along with this video. Okay, so the first step I'm going to take right now is to copy this section. You can see you need to start from the rule. So the rule here, just start from here and copied all the section here. Okay, so just copied every section that you're seeing in this place and copied it down to this section and click on copied. After you're done with that, we need to move to ChatGPT right away. So we need to paste this prompt into ChatGPT. Basically, you can make use of any other AI. You can make use of any AI at all, but for me, I'm going to make use of ChatGPT to generate. So this AI is going to, with this prompt, the AI is going to write a very good title, like how our story is going to be constructed. So you can see how smooth and how professional it is right away. For you can just copy this and do some twist, and you can do some twist, but for me I'm just going to leave it like this because this is a tutorial. I just want to show you on how you can get to create this kind of 3D cartoon animation movie. Okay, so once you are done with that and you have seen your scene, your character, the name of your character, you have seen everything. So the next step right now is to make sure we generate our character right away. So that's what I'm going to do next. Okay, so this is what I want to do. I'm going to move to this section, which is section 2, which is character design and asset creation. So you just need to come to this place. You can see create character sheet Penny the rabbit. Okay, so I just need to come to this section, copy it from this place here. Okay, so just make sure you copy this. Just make sure you follow the same process. Just copy every section that you're seeing here. After you click on copied, move back to your ChatGPT and paste the prompt. So this will force the AI to create, like, we just want to visualize how the image is gonna look like, the mouth, the face, the color palette, everything. So this will force the AI to generate the character for us so that we can visualize it. Okay, so let me just wait for a couple of minutes for this image to be generated. Okay, as you can see right now that we have successfully generated our character, you can see every description about this character has been generated and it has been labeled to it right now. You can see right away. Okay, so the next step right now is to go and to copy this prompt. This is a storyboard image generation prompt. This is a scene by scene image prompt right away. So what we just need is to copy this. This will command the AI to write out the prompt, to write out the prompts for every scene that we have. So I just need to click on copied. That's how we click on copied. Come back to this AI and paste we need to paste this command, and this will force the AI to write out the prompt for us. Okay, so based on the prompt that we sent to the AI, so the AI has successfully generated it has successfully write out the prompt that we're going to make use to generate each and every the environment, the character, and the scene. Okay, so what we need to do right now is to start generating this. Okay, so I just need to copy the first prompt, which is for the scene one, which is the village environment, like how the village is going to look like. So I just need to copy it from this section here. Okay, so we need to copy. You can leave the prompt like that. I just need to click on copied. Then we are going to make use of this AI called Google Flow. I'm very sure you know about this Google Flow. So just search on your web right now on your Google Chrome. You can just search for Google VEO3 or Google Flow. So you just need to sign up with your Gmail. That is going to bring you to this page. Once you sign inside this page, you just need to click on create a new project, and let's wait for this to load up right now. Under this create a new project, I don't need to explain this interface. This interface is very simple and easy to understand. So what I just need is to do a quick adjust. What I just need here is to do a quick adjustment. I just need to come to just click on this nano banana here. Okay, so under this section, this is the place you can get to choose like how many image do you want to generate at once. So for me, I'm not going for 4, I'm just going for 2. Okay, so I'm just going for 2 and leave the setting to nano banana 2. Just leave it like that and leave this section to image, because we want to generate image. We first generate image before we animate. Then after we're done with that, come to this section here and paste the prompt that we have copied from ChatGPT. So after we copied, we just need to click on send and wait for a couple of minutes for this AI to generate the image for us. And then after we are done generating image, we can start animating it. But wait for now, let's see how this image is going to come out. As you can see the environment, this is very awesome. Like, this is awesome. For me, I'm going for the first one because this is more details. You can see how the environment is. It doesn't look like it's being generated with AI because it's more details right now. So you are going to use the same process for the rest of this scripts, for the rest of this prompt. So you just need to do for the rest of the prompt, copied it. After you're done copied it, so just click on copied. Okay, so copy the entire section here, and I need to copy this entire section here. Okay, so just click on copied. After you click on copied it, paste it here. Just follow the same pattern, follow the same process. Okay, so just paste it here. Just click on paste. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do for the rest of this. That's what I'm going to do for the rest of the prompt. I'm going to generate each and every image one after the other. Then I'm going to choose the best one to animate right away. So I hope you guys get the concept. Okay, so once you get the concept, let me quickly generate all the image, and after we generate the image, we can start animating it one after the other, guys. Okay, so I have successfully generated each and every image for every scene inside this prompt. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm just going to choose the best one to animate. Okay, so the next step right now is to generate the animation prompt right away. So we just need to come back to our Google documents here. So we need to come back to the Google document in this section. Okay, you need to scroll down to this section that said animation. So in this section that said animation, copied everything here, copied it. So we just need to copy this entire section here. Click on copied. Okay, after you're done copied it, just come to this section here and paste it here. Paste it inside ChatGPT and click on send. So this AI is going to come up with a very good prompt that we can use to animate each and every scene here. So you can see it has come up with a very beautiful and a very awesome and a very good prompt that we can use to animate each and every image that we have there. So what I just need to do is to copy it based on the first scene. Okay, you can see this is the first animation that we're going to make use of. Okay, let me just okay, just click on copied here and click on copy. So this is the first scene right away. Okay, this animation is for the first scene. So which image are we going to go for? I'm going for number one, which this image is very good. Okay, so I just need to click it down. After you click it down, you will see this option that said animate. Okay, once you click on that section, just click on the animate section here. Once you click on that section, come to this section here. We need to do some little adjustments in this place. You can see the video, the frame rate is 16:9. And how many did you want to generate? For me, because we want to save our credit, I'm just going to choose one. Okay, so how many seconds? Let's just leave it to 16 seconds here. 16 seconds. Okay, so once we're done with that, we just need to paste in the prompts for animation and click on send. You can see the process. That is the process that I'm going to be making use to animate each and every scene that I have here. So let me quickly do that, and after I'm done, I'm going to show you what I have what I have created, right, guys. Okay, as you can see, guys, that I have successfully animated each and every image that I have here. Okay, so I want you guys to do the same. I hope you get the same process. You can see how cinematic and how awesome each and every animation I create is. You can see how it is. So I just want you to follow the same process, and after we are done animating it, you know, the best thing, guys, is to go to start auditory. Okay, once we are done, again, so let's move the CapCut Lightman and start editing each and every animation and movie. So this is the last part. So I'm inside my CapCut right now. Basically, you can make use of any editing app, any editing software of your choice. It's still the same process you are going to follow. So you just need to click on create a new project here. Okay, so create a new project, and if you notice, this is the first image. Like, I'm coming, let me look for the first one we create. Okay, this is the first one here. This is the first scene. Why this one? So let me start importing it one after the other. Okay, so this is the first one here. This is the first one, so I need to import it scene by scene. Let me quickly do that, guys. So you can see the way I organize it. This is the first scene here, and you can see the second scene, and you can see the third scene. That is how, like, this is the third scene here, and this is the fourth scene. That is how it is. That is how we are going to arrange it. Then after we are done, you can add a caption, you can add some transition in the middle. Like, that is how you just do some basic editing, not so much. Like, I like to use this camera, right? So if I said I should be explaining all the editing, this is going to take a time. So I hope you guys get the process right there. I hope you get the process. It's very important. You need to add a caption, and then a caption, so that your viewer will be able to understand what the story is all about. Oh, you can add a caption, add some transition, add some little bit of effects, just do some basic editing, and that is how it is right away. So if you're done, we just need to click on we are done after editing, add our caption. So let me add a caption, guys. Let me add a caption. Okay, so guys, after we are done adding all the necessary things, so we just need to click on this section here and make sure you export in 180p. So after we are done, just remove this and click on export right away. That is how simple and easy to create this. So if you're really interested about this, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching, guys.